The times I've felt most lost in my life are times where I've recognized that I've become separated from my vision. I'm not clear on exactly where I'm going. I'm not clear on exactly what I want. And this can come in any area of life. It could be in your business. It could be in your relationships. It could be in your finances. And the other thing about not being clear is being somewhat unconscious, somewhat unaware of what's going on. So if you're not clear on your vision in a relationship, as an example, you and your partner might have different ideas for the future of your relationship and where that's going. That can cause some major problems for obvious reasons. If you are not clear on what's going on in your finances, it's easy to be like, oh, whoops, I didn't pay that bill, or I don't have enough money for that bill, or where is all this money going, or what's actually coming into my business, or what's actually coming into my bank account if you work a job. If you're not clear on where you're taking your life, you're more than likely just going to stay the same as you are right now or have been in the past, because your brain is locked onto the evidence that it's finding from the experiences that you've had. Visualization is just one of the ways that we can cast our mind forward and start to train our brain into creating a new reality. If you've been procrastinating on creating your vision board, or you're feeling a little unclear on your vision, join me for this live workshop. Early bird tickets now on sale.